Welcome to our roundup of the best heat press machines. Whether you're starting a custom apparel business, creating personalized gifts, or upgrading your crafting setup, we've selected top-rated machines that combine precision, durability, and ease of use. From compact models for beginners to professional-grade presses, these machines are built to deliver consistent heat and pressure for high-quality results. We'll break down key features like temperature control, platen size, build quality, and safety functions to help you make the right choice. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the best heat press machine for your projects. The first on the list is the VEVOR heat press machine. The VEVOR heat press machine is designed for users who want a balance between affordability and versatility. It stands out with large heating plate, digital LCD control, and durable construction, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. The large platen provides ample space for printing bigger designs, giving you more flexibility when creating custom apparel, tote bags, or other fabric items. The digital LCD control panel is one of its most practical features. It allows precise temperature and time adjustments, ensuring each press is consistent and accurate. This level of control is especially important when working on detailed designs or sensitive materials. The heating element reaches the desired temperature quickly and maintains it steadily, reducing waiting time and improving workflow efficiency. Another major advantage is its durable construction. Built with high-quality materials, the VEVOR heat press is designed to withstand frequent use without performance degradation. The sturdy base and reinforced arm provide stability during operation, which is crucial for applying even pressure across the design. This ensures that transfers adhere properly and last longer without peeling or cracking. Overall, the VEVOR heat press machine offers excellent value with its large workspace, precise controls, and durable design, making it a versatile option for growing printing needs. Next up is the WHUB-FY heat press. The WHUB-FY heat press is a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists who want reliable performance without a complicated setup. Featuring even heat distribution, adjustable pressure system, and compact design, this machine ensures consistent transfers while remaining easy to handle. Its heating plate is designed to distribute temperature evenly across the surface, which is essential for achieving clean, vibrant prints without fading or patchiness. Whether you're working with vinyl, sublimation paper, or transfer sheets, the results are impressively consistent. Ease of use is one of its strongest advantages. The intuitive control panel allows you to set both time and temperature with precision, reducing the chances of overheating or underpressing your designs. The adjustable pressure knob gives you full control depending on the thickness of the material, which is especially useful when working with different fabric types. From cotton t-shirts to polyester blends, the WHUB-FY adapts well and delivers dependable results. Its compact design makes it ideal for small workspaces, whether you're working from a home studio or a small shop. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on durability. The sturdy frame and heat-resistant handle provide safety and long-term usability. Overall, the WHUB-FY heat press is a great entry-level option that offers consistent performance, user-friendly controls, and dependable build quality for everyday t-shirt printing. Next up is the HTVR-ONT Auto Heat Press 2. The HTVR-ONT Auto Heat Press 2 is a modern solution designed for users who want convenience and efficiency. It comes equipped with automatic pressure adjustment, fast heating technology, and hands-free operation, making it one of the easiest machines in its category. With automatic pressure adjustment, you no longer need to manually fine-tune settings, which eliminates guesswork and ensures consistent results every time. Its fast heating technology significantly reduces wait times, allowing you to complete more projects in less time. The machine heats up evenly and maintains a stable temperature, ensuring that your designs transfer perfectly without uneven patches. This is especially beneficial for small businesses that need to maintain productivity without sacrificing quality. One standout feature is its hands-free operation. Once you place your material and start the process, the machine automatically applies pressure and releases when the cycle is complete. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety by minimizing direct interaction with hot surfaces. It's an excellent feature for beginners who may feel intimidated by traditional heat presses. The sleek and compact design makes it suitable for home use while still delivering professional-level results. It also operates quietly compared to many traditional presses, making it more comfortable to use in shared spaces. Overall, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 delivers a perfect combination of automation, speed, and reliability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Next, we have the Slender 5-in-1 Heat Press. The Slender 5-in-1 Heat Press is a versatile powerhouse designed for users who want more than just t-shirt printing. Featuring multi-function attachments, 360-degree swing-away design, and high-pressure performance, this machine allows you to print on a variety of items, including mugs, hats, plates, and more. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for small businesses looking to expand their product offerings. The multi-function attachments are easy to swap, allowing you to transition between different types of projects quickly. Whether you're customizing apparel or creating personalized gifts, this machine provides the flexibility to handle it all. The 360-degree swing-away design improves safety and convenience by keeping the heating element away from your workspace while positioning materials. High-pressure performance ensures strong and long-lasting transfers. The machine applies even pressure across the surface, which is essential for achieving professional quality results. Combined with consistent heat distribution, it delivers vibrant and durable prints that resist fading and peeling over time. The digital control panel allows precise adjustments for temperature and time, giving you full control over your projects. This is particularly important when working with different materials that require specific settings. Overall, the Slender 5-in-1 Heat Press is a great investment for users who want flexibility, strong performance, and the ability to create a wide range of customized products. The last one on our list is the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is a premium option designed for those who want top-tier performance and ease of use. It features smart pressure control, rapid heat up, and large pressing area, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. The smart pressure control system automatically adjusts to the thickness of your material, ensuring perfect transfers every time without manual adjustments. Overall, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine stands out as a premium choice, offering automation, efficiency, and professional quality results for serious creators. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.